Hello everyone and welcome to a very quick tutorial of how to delete an app on your iPhone or iPad. What you're going to want to do is of course find the app that you want to delete. So for this example I'm going to be deleting TikTok, and you're going to want to use your finger and hold down on the screen where the app is. At the bottom of that list you can see in red it says remove app. You're going to want to click on that and you're going to see three options: delete app, remove from home screen, or cancel. If you remove it from home screen, the app will still be on your device, it will just not be visible on your home screen, and you can find it in the app library, which is over here. Or if you press delete app, it will remove it completely from the device, and most likely will also, unless the app specifies otherwise, such as the information being stored in the cloud, it will also delete your information. So you just want to click delete app there, and then you're going to want to confirm that, so as to make sure that you do want to delete the app. Click delete, and as you can see, it's now completely deleted. If that helps, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.